Even if you're not ready for the day, it would not always be night. Okay, that's from Donda. Shout out to Kanye West. But guys, getting out of bed has to be the toughest part. Forget all these 5 a.m. morning routines, yo. Even when the alarm buzzes, you still don't want to get out of bed. And when I get the strength to, I always grab a bottle of water because I always have one at the bed there. Yeah, I drink some of that in, and then I struggle to get out, okay? Struggle, for real. When I do, I just hit the bathroom, take a leak, then I come back, I say a prayer for my day and whatever I have to do, and then I just go straight ahead to making the bed. Other days, I could skip making the bed if my roommate is still in bed, but if she's not, I just get onto that. And then I put in my stockings, and it's a workout session. Now I'm sounding very optimistic and all that, but whatever. Just gonna wash my face, and then I'm gonna do my Mel Robbins 5 seconds rule, where you high five yourself in the mirror every morning and tell yourself that you're worthy, you're loved, and you are safe, and you are okay. Works all the time, you should give it a shot, yeah? And then I go downstairs to warm up and do some workout. Yo, it's not easy, you guys. Working out finally after 8 months, I pass out at every 30 seconds. Don't judge me, because I know you didn't work out this morning. So hello, save the judgment. This seems like the easiest workout. You should try it. And then flat I laid. Oh God, I love to drink me a glass of water every morning. This has to be my second cup. And then I head straight into the kitchen where we have the dilemma of the day. What do I eat? Whew. Thank God for fresh fruits and produce that I have. So I'm just going to whip up salad, and I'll stop talking and let you guys enjoy the process. So according to Pick Up Limes on YouTube, the 3 things you want to consider when making a salad is you want to consider fats, you want to consider aromatics, and you want to consider acids, okay? So for my fats, I have these avocado here. I have some, is banana fatty? I think. I don't know. I don't care, girl. And then I brought in some cooked sausages. I just used one. And you guys, this sausage was the exact thing I needed for the aroma. You guys should try this salad. I'm not joking. You guys need to try this salad. It was bomb. So I have lettuce, I have tomatoes, I have avocado, I have sausages, I have banana, I have some fresh onions, because the crunch is another thing you have to, take note of. So I just tossed that in there, and then I tossed in some hard-boiled eggs. I tossed in some ginger for the heat and the flavor again. Fam, just enjoy the salad. So for my dressing, I squeezed in some lemon juice, sprinkled some salt, sprinkled some paprika, and then some sunflower oil, and that was it. Yummy, tasty, crunchy, flavor. Guys, everything, it was savory. I stand. Ooh, you should try it, seriously.
这一次我真的睡着了。
talk about this deodorant, guys. This is not sponsored or anything, but it would be nice anyways. So this deodorant is amazing. It's like an antiperspirant roll-on. I bought it like 5 days ago, and you guys, I just have good things to say about it. Apart from the fragrance, which is bomb, the feel, my armpit doesn't itch anymore the way it did with Right Guard. I had to change that because it was crazy. But this, I stand. Seriously, I recommend. If you need something really cool and powdery and, you know, just gets the job done. So this is it. Okay? All right. So right now I have some blog posts to write. I've been working on this blog post for the past 2 days. Yesterday I didn't have data. Yesterday and before yesterday, I think I didn't have data, so I couldn't do a lot of research I needed to do. But I'm going to have to write that blog post today, and then make sure I send it in for publishing as well. And also, that's basically it. I'm beginning to feel like I'm going to be hungry, so I'm going to go downstairs and bring out my soup so that I can have soup for lunch. Okay. Yeah, I'm beginning to. I'm going to get hungry, and the meal is frozen. So the best thing I can do for myself now is to go downstairs and bring it out so it starts defrosting or thawing by itself. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll come back here and I'll just write my blog post. So guys, let me know if you enjoyed this my quick morning routine, and if you'd like to see more nice videos like this. Tell me what you love about the video. Please like my videos, leave a comment, subscribe if you're new, and I'd really like to see you in the next video. I love you, and bye. Have a beautiful day and year and month and week. Okay, so cheers. Mwah.